students, I am going to start today sentence transformation part 3rd, and rule B is degree of comparison. As I explained, degree of comparison in second part of transformation. So I think I am going to revise again the topic degree of comparison. As you know, there are 3 types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. And I also explained about what are 3 degrees: what is positive degree, what is comparative degree, and what is superlative degree. Okay students, so I am going to revise once again. So first of all, positive degree. Positive degree as I told you, in positive degree we describe the quality and bad qualities of a person, place or thing. Like Hari is a good boy. Hari is a good boy. This is positive degree. Okay? Sentence first. Sentence second. Lucknow is a big city. Lucknow is a big city. These sentences are positive degree sentences. Examples are positive degree. As in these sentences, there is a describe of one person or place, and what it describes qualities of one person, place or thing. So Hari is a good boy and Lucknow is a big city. Okay. So student, this is positive degree. Next, second is comparative degree. Comparative degree. In comparative degree, we describe the qualities between two persons, places or things. Like Hari is better than Mohan. Hari is better than Mohan, and Lucknow is bigger than Kanpur. So in these sentences, Hari and Lucknow compared with Mohan and Kanpur. So Hari is better. You can use second form of adjective good better. Okay. So in comparative degree we use second form of adjective. Okay. Third is superlative degree. Superlative degree. In superlative degree, we describe the best or the worst qualities of a person, place or thing in a circle. Like Hari is the best boy in the class. Hari is the best boy in the class. And second, Lucknow is the biggest city. Lucknow is the biggest city in UP. So in these sentences, there is a describe about the best or the worst qualities of one person placed in a circle. It is a circle in a class. Hari is the best boy in the class. So the class is a circle. He is the best boy in the class. Like that, Lucknow is the biggest city in UP. Okay. So students, these are positive, comparative, and superlative. Okay. Now the question is sentence transformation. As I told you, sentence transformation. You can transform one degree into another. Like superlative change into positive, positive change into comparative without change of its meaning. Okay, meaning should not change of any of sentence. So look here. The main important thing is how to change sentence transformation. Like here is a sentence: Lucknow is the biggest city in UP. This is superlative sentence. Okay, students? Lucknow is the biggest city in UP. And in bracket it is written change into positive. Now you have to change this sentence into positive degree without change of its meaning. Meaning should not change. Okay? Lucknow is the biggest city in UP. This is superlative. Now change this sentence into positive degree. How to change? Into positive without change of its meaning. Meaning of the sentence should not change. Lucknow is the biggest city in UP. So while changing this sentence into positive degree, I am going to change this sentence into positive degree. No other city in UP is as big as Lucknow. Meaning of both sentences is same. Think, see, no other city, कोई भी दूसरा शहर नहीं in यूपी में is as big उतना बड़ा है as लखनऊ जितना कि लखनऊ. It means Lucknow is the biggest city in UP. Okay ना? So meaning of two sentences are same. And now it is positive degree sentence and change into comparative. Change into comparative degree. How to change? So Lucknow is bigger. As I told you, always use second form of the adjective. Okay? So here Lucknow is bigger than any other city in UP. So meaning of three sentences are same. Lucknow is the biggest city in UP. It is superlative degree. Change into positive degree without change of its meaning. So no other city in UP is as big as Lucknow. It is positive degree. And now positive degree change into comparative degree. So Lucknow is bigger than any other city in UP. degree sentences are of two types. First is when sentence start is the, Lucknow is the, and second when sentence start Lucknow is one of the biggest cities in UP. This is second type of superlative, and this one is first type of superlative sentence. So it is second type of superlative. Lucknow is one of the biggest cities in UP. So first of all, see the meaning of this sentence, as it is also superlative. But Lucknow is one of the means उनमें से एक. लखनऊ इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट सिटीज इन यूपी. लखनऊ यूपी के बड़े शहरों में से एक है. में से एक का मतलब सबसे बड़ा नहीं है, कुछ और भी सिटीज हैं जो लखनऊ के समथिंग, लखनऊ के जितने बड़े हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लखनऊ इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट सिटी इन यूपी. इट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ superlative degree. And now change this sentence into positive. Change into positive. And while we change this sentence into positive, look here the main difference between this positive sentence and superlative sentence and this one superlative sentence. So when is given in a sentence, so start positive sentence no other, and when is one of the is given, then start positive sentence very few cities in UP are as big as Lucknow. Meaning is same. Very few cities, and here no other cities. Here very few cities in UP are as big as Lucknow. So you see here what is the difference between this positive sentence and this one positive sentence. Here start our sentence no other, and here start very few. Here city is singular number and here city is plural number. Second difference is UP is and here R is given R. Okay? And when we change this sentence into comparative degree, then start Lucknow is bigger than most other cities in UP. It is comparative degree. Lucknow is bigger than most other. So here you see the differences. It is first type of superlative, and it is first type of superlative, and it is second type of superlative. It is second type of superlative. Second type of superlative sentence. Okay? So in first type of superlative sentences is the is given, and here it is used is the, and in second type is one of the is given in such types of sentences. And while changing such types of sentences into positive degree, so first type of superlative sentence when we change into positive degree, start your sentence from no other. Start no other. From here, take city. No other city in UP and is as big as Lucknow and in comparative bigger than any other. Look here, what is the difference? Use here any other, and in second type of comparative degree use most other cities. Here singular number cities and here cities in UP. Okay students, so next we going to start okay, so look here, many other examples. Like Mohan is taller than any other boy in his class. So look students, this is sentence of comparative degree. Taller, second form it means comparative degree, first form it means positive degree, and the third form of the comparative degree means superlative degree. So here it is used second form of the adjective. So taller means it is comparative degree. Mohan is taller than any other boy in the class. Now change into positive. So here any other is given, it means first type of superlative. So change here into positive. Mohan is the tallest boy in his class. Mohan is the tallest boy in his class, and when we change into superlative degree, then what to change? Sorry, 1 second. Change into positive degree. Is comparative. No other boy in his class is as tall as Mohan. Now change into superlative. So in superlative, Mohan is the tallest boy in his class. Mohan is the tallest boy in his class. One more example. Mamta is one of the fattest girls in her family. Change into positive. So look here, Mamta is one of the fattest girls in her family. So So right here, Mamta is fatter, or you can write more fat, both are correct, than most other girls in her family. So students, you must see the difference between first type of superlative and second type of superlative sentences. So second type of superlative sentence when we change into positive, start the sentence positive very few, and first type superlative is the is given, start sentence no. Okay students, understood? And you will see sentence transformation in next video. Thank you.